Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best tools for your electrical testing needs, the Klein Tools NCVT3P Dual-Range Non-Contact Voltage Tester. If you're someone who needs a reliable, accurate, and easy-to-use voltage detector, this is definitely one you should consider. Now, let's talk about why this Klein voltage tester stands out. First, it offers dual-range voltage detection, which means it can detect voltages from 12 to 1000 volts AC. Whether you're working with low-voltage systems in security and communications, or dealing with higher voltage systems, this tester has you covered. The non-contact feature is incredibly convenient, letting you check for voltage without the need to touch wires or outlets, which adds an extra layer of safety. What I love about this product is the combination of both visual and audible indicators. When voltage is detected, the tester emits both a loud alarm and a flashing LED light, so you'll never miss it, even in bright or noisy environments. On top of that, it comes with a built-in flashlight. This is perfect when you're working in poorly lit areas, helping you clearly see what you're testing, while the flashlight can even be used independently of the voltage detection function. The design of the NCVT3P is compact and lightweight, making it super easy to carry around with you. It even has a pocket clip, so you can store it securely and grab it quickly when needed. Plus, it includes an auto power-off feature, ensuring that the batteries last longer by automatically turning off when not in use. This is a small yet thoughtful feature that helps you get the most out of the tester. Another key feature to note is the green light indicator. When no voltage is present, the tester lights up green, giving you a quick and clear confirmation that the area is safe to work with. This peace of mind is crucial when working with electrical systems. And, with a Cat IV 1000 volts rating, the tester offers reliable protection, ensuring you're always working within safety standards. In terms of power, this voltage tester uses two AAA batteries, which are simple to replace and widely available. And, if you're worried about battery life, remember that the auto power-off feature helps conserve energy, making sure you get plenty of use out of a single set of batteries. In conclusion, the Klein Tools NCVT3P Dual-Range Non-Contact Voltage Tester is a must-have for anyone working with electrical systems. It's safe, convenient, and versatile. Whether you're an electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is a reliable choice that's built to last and designed with user safety and convenience in mind. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more tool reviews, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.